Hello, and thank you for joining me to work on the Summer Bridge Activities Workbook for 2nd to 3rd grade. We are on day 3. So let's see, turn to page 7. So we're going to work on number sense fractions. Write the number that comes before, between, or after each number or numbers. So we've got before, between, and after. What number comes before 347? So we know that 1 less than 7 is 6, so it's going to be 346. Good job, guys. Between, let's see, these go down. So number 2, what comes before 528? 1 less is going to be 7, so it's going to be 527. Number 3, what number comes before 832? So this is a 2, we need a 1 because it's 1 less. So 831. What number comes before 731? 730, because we know 0 is 1 less than 1, which is right before it. So what comes before number 293? This should be a 2, right? So 292. Okay. What number is between 213 and 215? You're right, between 3 and 5 we have a 4, so we're going to put 214. Between 427 and 429 we've got 8, right? Between 7 and 9 is 8, so it's 428. 399 and 401. Whoa, they tried to trick us. So if we add 1, what do we have? 400, because we have to add 1, and it would, 9 and 1 is 0, and we would carry, and we would do it again. So 9 and 1 is 0, and it would be 400. And if we subtracted 1, it would be the same thing. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0, and then 400. So 399 plus 1 is 400. The number between 399 and 401 is 400. So number 9, 478, 478, and then 480. What number is between these? Well, we know it's 400, and it's going to be 7. And what's 8 plus 1? 9. 479 comes between 478 and 480. Good job. So what number goes between 871 and 873? 872, because we know that after 1 comes 2. So what comes after 679? Well, if we had to add 1, we know that 9 and 1 is 0, or it's 10, but we put the 0 and then carry our 1, right? And then 7 plus 1 plus 0, because there's nothing there. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 6 plus 0 is 6. So 679 plus 1 is 680. What is 721? What comes after 721? 722. Yay. Next we have 398 plus 1, right? So after 398 would be 399. Good job, guys. 599. What's after 599? We did the same thing here. So it's going to be 599 plus 1. 9 and 1 is 10. So we put down our 0, carry our 1. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So we put down our 0, carry our 1. And what's 5 plus 1? You're right, 6. So the number after 599 is 600. Let's see. 734. What number comes after 734? So we know 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So it's 735. I like it. Good job. Okay. They're trying to trick us. I can see it. Next up, follow the directions to color equal parts of the shapes. Color 1/4. So we have a circle divided into 4 pieces. How many are we going to color? 1. So we colored 1 of the 4. 1/4. 17. Color 2/3. It's broken down in thirds already. So what are we going to do? Color 2 of the thirds. There's 1 and 2. We colored 2 of the thirds. So for this one, what does it say? Color 4/4. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we color the 4/4, we're going to color the whole thing. So 4/4 is a whole thing, right? So we're going to color 1, 2, 3, and 4. Did we color 4/4? Yes. And we're right. Look, it's the whole piece. It's the whole square. Okay. Triangle. Color 1/3. How many are we going to color? 1. So we could pick any of these 3. We'll just do the bottom one and leave us an arrow pointing up. And you know what's tricky? How many did we not color? 2. So we left 2 of the 3. We colored 1/3 or 1/3, and we left 2/3. So number 20, color 1/2. So we've got 2. We can pick either side, right? We just need to color 1 of the halves because we know that half is 2. It's like a big cookie and we want this half. Alright, the last one on page 7. Color 3/4. So 4th means it's cut into 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to color how many? 3. So we're going to color them all? No. I'm just going to color 3 of them. How else could we say this? Instead of these words, how could we say this? Instead of 3/4, we could do 3 of the 4, right? We colored 3 of the 4 pieces. Here, how many did we color? 1 of the 2 pieces. Here, we colored 2 of the 3 pieces. How many did we color here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we colored 4 of the 4 pieces that were there for us. The last one, which was the first one, we colored 1 of the 4. So we colored 1/4 or 1/4. Good job, guys. Let's see, page 8. Read the passage, then answer the questions. Helpful insects and arachnids. Some insects can destroy crops, such as fruits and vegetables, by eating them. Not all insects are bad, though. Some insects help people. Bees move pollen from flower to flower. This helps flowers make seeds so that there will be more flowers the next year. Bees are also produce honey. Ladybugs are helpful insects too. They eat the insects that chew on plants. Finally, spiders may look scary, but they are helpful. They are not insects. They are arachnids. They catch flies, crickets, and moths in their webs. If you find a spider in your home, ask an adult to help you carefully place it outside. It can do its job outdoors then. Number 22. We're getting close to the finish line. What is the main idea of this passage? Insects can destroy crops. Ladybugs are beautiful. Some insects and arachnids are helpful. So did it talk about how insects destroy crops? Nope. Even though I think ladybugs are beautiful, did it say that up there? It said they're helpful. But it didn't say they're beautiful. And the whole thing is not about that. So that's not it either. Some insects and arachnids are helpful. Yes, it did say that. Ladybugs are helpful. Spiders may look scary, but they're helpful. So it did say insects and arachnids are helpful. So yes. Letter C. What was the author's purpose in writing this passage? So what do you think the author's purpose was? I think that they were trying to teach us that insects can be helpful and arachnids can be helpful. So to inform us that insects and arachnids are helpful. How do bees help flowers grow? Uh-oh. I remember reading about bees. So right here, bees move pollen from flower to flower. This helps flowers make seeds. So how do they help? By moving pollen from flower to flower. They help by moving pollen from flower to flower. How are ladybugs helpful? Ladybugs are helpful insects too. So did it tell us right there? No, we need to keep reading. It says they, so it's talking about the ladybugs. Ladybugs eat the insects that chew on plants. So we know that ladybugs are helpful because they eat the insects that chew on plants. What are crops? What clues in the passage help you find the answer? So we got to go back to our passage. It says crops right here. It says some insects can destroy crops. That doesn't tell us what crops are though, but it says such as fruits and vegetables. So what are fruits and vegetable crops? So I think that a crop is like a field where fruits and vegetables are grown. Or an area, but it's probably like a field. So what are crops? Crops are fields or areas for growing fruits and vegetables. What clues in the passage help you find the answer? Our context clues. Context clues. Reading the surrounding sentences. So when we read there was crops, but we had to keep reading to find it all. So there we go, guys. We finished day 3. Thank you. See you next time.